How to forward an entire email thread in Outlook. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to forward an entire email thread in Outlook. Let's get started. First, go to your inbox and locate the email conversation you want to forward. Select it, then right-click on that email. In the menu, click Find Related, then click Messages in this conversation. This will display all emails connected to that thread, no matter how many replies there are. Click the top email, then press Ctrl A. This will select all the emails in that conversation. Next, right-click the selected messages. From the menu, click Forward. Outlook will now open a new email draft with each message in the thread attached as individual items. Enter the recipient's email address, then add a message if you'd like. After that, click Send. And that's it. That is how you forward an entire email thread in Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.